I know you are desperate to earn money online and you are searching it everywhere, like how to earn money online, how to earn money without any investment, and all. But there is a high chance that while searching for these topics, there are many people who are just selling you a dream. They say you can earn 10K a month in your sleep without doing any hard work, just by selling digital product, starting Faces YouTube channel, Instagram page, or Pinterest account, doing website surveys, selling notes, doing data entry job or typing job, and the list goes on and on. And most people fall for these things. And when they start doing these kind of side hustles, they realize it's not working for them. And many of these are completely waste of time. And how I know this? Because I have already wasted my time and energy and months in these type of scammy things. That's why I'm gonna save you some time so that you cannot fall for these things. I'm gonna cover some useless side hustles which you need to avoid to save you time and energy. Starting with the worst one, online surveys and typing or data entry job. Most influencers make a short reel by saying, just work for 1 hour on this secret website while sitting on your bed and earn $30 easily. And this sounds so good and we start doing it because everyone has a phone and some free time. But what these people don't tell you is that most of these websites just ask your personal details and picture in the name of surveys. And if you complete these surveys, majority of the time you will get rejected from these surveys for nonsense reason. And you can never reach the actual task. And rarely if you may get some pennies like 30 to 40 rupees for that attempt of the survey. And this is very rare, okay? And you cannot withdraw these money. And if you are thinking, okay, I will do 10 surveys a day and at least I will earn 200 or 300 rupees, then you have to reach a certain level to withdraw these amounts. Like you have to reach $100 pay limit or $500 pay limit before you can receive some amount. And before you can reach that amount, you will block these websites by yourself after getting frustrated from them and their useless task. And there are a few websites which offer real work, but those kind of work is only for a professional who have a specific knowledge in a task. And those tasks are not for normal people like you and me. And let's say if you find any task which you can do like translation, then to even get those tasks, you have to give a proper competitive exam. Yes, they conduct a test which you have to pass. And if you think you can easily pass them just by using ChatGPT or anything, then believe me, your ChatGPT limit will get exceeded, but you will never be able to get accepted in these kind of works. I don't know why. They just never accept. I myself have given many tests and I always got an email that thank you for applying. We will connect you soon. But I didn't receive any email after that. So these micro jobs are just useless and waste of time. And those typing and data entry jobs, they are even worse. Half of them are straight scams. They spend hours in typing PDF file into Word document. When you ask for your payment, they tell you that you need to pay a security deposit or account activation fees first. And the moment you pay them, they will block you. And I knew these all things because I have already seen many people getting scammed in front of my eyes. But I still searched for it just to give it a chance. And when my Instagram feed was filled with these type of job and I couldn't find the real one, I knew these were all scams. And that's why I stayed away from this thing. So for you too, don't do any kind of work which require any upfront money. If any person or platform is asking you money to give you work, then leave it immediately without even guessing. They are total scammers. The next one is selling notes. They say upload your college or school notes and you will get paid every single time when someone buys it. Sounds amazing, right? It actually feels like a passive income. But look at the reality. First, your notes have to pass from a strict test that can take days to get approved. If your handwriting isn't perfect or clean, or the scanned image is slightly blurred, they will reject it instantly. But let's say if your notes actually get approved, then what happened? Nothing. Why? Because these websites are massive ocean containing millions of free documents. A student searching for biology or accounting notes is going to see thousands of options. If you don't have any social media following or a specific community where you can paste your link and tell people to buy that exact file, you will never get a sale. Your notes will just sit on a page 50 of search result and no one will click on it and you will not make any money. That's the reality of selling notes. The next one is selling digital product or Canva templates. These are very popular right now. Everyone says make a planner or a habit tracker or a simple journal and list them on Etsy or Gumroad and you will start earning passive income. This sounds so good. They will show you how to create templates in Canva, but they will completely skip the hardest part, which is how you will get traffic on your product. Traffic means audience and viewers. If you don't have any traffic or audience to buy, then you will not get any sales. These platforms like Etsy, they are already very competitive and they heavily work on SEO and reviews and keyword research. And even if you do everything correctly, these platforms will still not work because of its heavy competition. Digital product will only work when you have a built-in audience which trusts you and can buy from you. Then how will you sell a digital product? If you're a complete beginner, your first goal should be to make some audience on social media platform by creating some content around your product to teach people what your product is about. Then after, if you start getting views, then some people may buy from you. And same goes with the affiliate marketing on Pinterest or Instagram. You have to make content, get some views on your post, and after people will see your content, they will click on your link, then they will buy something. And after that, you will make commission. These influencers sell you a dream in the name of easy money. They are only trying to sell you a course or a product they tagged in their videos. The reason these side hustles will not work for you is that you are looking at a wrong business model. These influencers and YouTubers are not making any money from these survey apps, Etsy template, or study notes. Their real side hustle is the video you are watching right now. They make money from your views, your watch time, and the affiliate sign up links in their description. They sell you the dream of easy money because the easy get views. Real online earning require building a real system, actual traffic, and proof-based digital skills. All these topics deserve a separate video, so I will make it in future. And I keep making these honest breakdown of side hustles and business models, showing you what works and what not, so that you can get clarity on how things work, so you don't waste your time and start doing the actual work. So subscribe if you want more of them. And also like the video if you learned something from this. And also tell me your thoughts in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one.